Welcome to Part 5, Audio Mastery in CapCut. And now let's roll the intro for Episode 8, Advanced Audio Tricks, Beat Sync, Auto Captions with Sound Cues. Alright, creators, you've learned how to add music, clean up noise, and balance sound. Now let's take things up a notch with some advanced audio tricks in CapCut. We lines explore Beat Sync, where CapCut edits to your music automatically, and auto captions with sound cues, which make your videos more engaging and accessible. Before we dive in, hit that like, subscribe, and share button so more creators can discover these tricks. Now let's get to it. Here's an example of me singing a song with some background noise. Let's start a new project and put the clip to work. First, we'll import our video clips and music. Then, after selecting Beat Sync, let's watch as CapCut automatically cuts and matches my clips to the rhythm of the song. Here are 3 quick examples of how this works with different types of content. And now we're going to dive deeper into customizing Beat Sync. Once you enable Beat Sync, you can choose between flash cuts, slow style, and cinematic. Flash cuts is for fast, flashy edits for energetic music. Slow style is for smoother edits and transitions for slower tracks. And cinematic sync is perfect for those sweeping camera movements. Now let's add auto captions. Tap text, then auto captions, then generate from audio. While CapCut listens to your audio and automatically generates subtitles, we can click the plus icon to add sound cues. For example, we can show when music plays or when a sound effect hits. Adding sound cues helps viewers know what's happening even if they're watching without sound. After generating captions, we can double tap on one word and select a line to beat to sync our text animations to the beat of the music. As you'll see here, we can adjust the animation type, direction, and duration. Here's a quick recap of what we've learned. 1. Use Beat Sync to cut videos automatically to music. 2. Add auto captions for accessibility. 3. Insert sound cues like "and" to make captions dynamic. 4. Sync text animations and captions to beats for extra flair. These tricks make your videos both professional and fun, and that's it. You've just unlocked some of the coolest audio tricks in CapCut. Now your videos not only sound great, but also feel alive with rhythm and style. This brings us to the end of Part 5, Audio Mastery. In Part 6, we lines dive into text and captions mastery in CapCut, making your words as powerful as your visuals and sound. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment below, would you use Beat Sync more for fast or cinematic edits? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.